Good afternoon, everyone. Brian Kelly here. I want to do a real quick video. Hey, man. So if you are new to making money online or making money offline, um, I have something for you. That's really good, very, very good. Easy to do. You don't have to have any type of experience at all. All you're doing is sharing a web page with a video on it, and that's it. Got some really good products people really want. All right. For that, you're going to be getting $100 sent directly to your Cash App or your Zelle or your Google Pay. I've made over $300 in less than 24 hours doing this, and it's really easy. You got some opportunities that require a little bit more experience, but this is really simple to do. Like I said, you're going to be getting a website, and all you have to do is share the website. You can just place ads and have people come directly to your website, and a person on that website is going to be telling your prospect exactly what it's all about. And when they do that, they decide to join. Guess what? They're going to send you $100 directly. Okay, this is something that's really, 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 really super simple, and I want you to sign up for it because it will definitely make you some money. So if you're interested in this, please go to my website, which is it's called www.makemoneywithbrian.com. I'll put the actual link in the comment section below. It's like make MAKE money MONEY with WTH Brian BRIAN, makemoneywithbrian.com. If you go there, take a look at the video and sign up. And hey, again, this is for people who want to make some really quick money, who don't have a lot of experience and doesn't take a lot of time to do, but it's very simple, very easy. You make money. Talk to you later. Bye.